Hey, y'all, welcome back to the Entrepreneur's Lawyer. I am Tanisha Molden, attorney and business strategy. And today we're going to be talking about what we really do in a legal strategy call here at the Entrepreneur's Lawyer and Molden Law. This ties right back into how I help entrepreneurs like you build your business. We help you grow your brand and most importantly, own everything from your content to your contract. So let's jump right into it. All right. So, what do we really do in a legal strategy call? It's really not what you think it is. We take the time to sit through the guidance that we give our clients to make sure that they are on the right track to build a brand and also protect the assets that they're building, but at the same time, providing that business education along the way. So let's jump into the first thing. It's really not about filling out paperwork. We identify your needs, map out your custom business ecosystem, and build a protection strategy around that. So, but many clients come to us and they think they want to just file a trademark. And one of the first questions that I ask when they want to file a trademark is, how are you going to monetize that? Typically, there's not an answer because typically there's not a plan. And if there's not a plan, that means there's not a strategic outline for them to follow. And that's where we come in and help. We have a brand strategist on staff that helps our clients map out the business ecosystem. It's really important to have that strategy, and it's important to have this strategy call to get that out so we know what to prioritize and what to protect. Because we are looking at not just the name in your logo or slogan, it is an ecosystem of how you build a brand. And we want to make sure that it's protected properly. And I like to think that is a different approach to legal strategy. And this is why my community has, called me the entrepreneur's lawyer, because that's what we specialize in protecting businesses and their intellectual property. What I really think about is your brand as a business asset. That's one of the assets. You will have many assets. All the trademarks, patents, and trade secrets are assets, but we approach it in the framework that this is an asset to help you build wealth. And if that's the case, we want to protect. And building long-term wealth, we want to focus on all the foundational things and the legal protections that come with that. So these are things that we are talking through on the strategy call. All right. So it looks like you get kind of messy here, but we're going to keep on going. So we offer an analysis to identify which products and services are working and need protection. That's what's behind there. And then brand direction. That's here. We look at where your brand is headed and aligned the legal protections accordingly for your business. And IP ownership review. We help you clarify what intellectual property you actually own versus what you think you own, and that's an IP audit. Vulnerability assessment. We pinpoint legal exposure and create solutions to address risk. So it's not just about going through your intellectual property. We're really building out a plan, and we focus on a 3-year strategic plan. So we have time to really see the fruits of our what we're working on, but it's not too far in the future that you won't see what's happening. The next thing we focus on is protecting your most valuable assets. If you're in a business, this day and age, in today's day and age, is an opportunity to grow intellectual property and assets. We are what they call the creators economy. We are in that. If you have a business, the way to stand out is to build a brand. In our strategic calls to build out your plan, we help you identify your number one offer. What brings in the most money, clients, and visibility? We stand on that. So we really assess what needs current protection because it might be that number one offer, right? Is that offer really protected? And are you leveraging it? Are you monetizing it? What other avenues are there? We go through that. And most importantly, as a business owner, it is critical to execute and take action. I would love to know, especially if you're watching this video, what is the asset that you need protecting or something that maybe come to mind? Is it a trademark? Is it copyright? Is it a patent? One thing that's left off the list because I consider this an asset class is trade secrets. So if you don't know what that is, let me know and I'll be happy to share that with you, what the trade secret is. So I wanted to share that and let you guys know what happens in a call. If this was helpful, just go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And if you're ready to dig deeper and work with us, check out the links in the description. I really focus on helping you build your business, but not just build your business, building assets. I want to make sure that what you create is protected and it's working for you. I'll see you in the next video.